Introduce our coffee machine for you. Many people is a big fan of coffee. So if you know a lot about coffee and enjoy the process or controlling each step of coffee making, like coffee grinding, the shape and size of coffee beans, the temperature of brewing, milk foaming, and so on, or if you are opening a coffee shop, I highly recommend you to buy a semi-automatic coffee machine because the coffee in your shop should be different from that of McDonald's or KFC. Only your coffee is unique. You can let your customer remember you. And not just a place selling no special coffee. So considering the experience and opening a coffee shop, I highly recommend you to buy a semi-automatic coffee machine. And here, this two is our coffee machine, and this one is for home use, 6 liters steam boilers, and this one is for a small coffee shop, about 9 liter steam boiler. You can see the coffee machine here. Now let me introduce the board of the machine. Here is the buttons. This one is for the steam, for milk foaming. Here is for hot water, 1 cup, 2 cup, 3, 4 buttons. And there is 2 grooves. And you can adjust the temperatures here. And this plate is the wastewater tray, and here you can see this one is on and off buttons, and this one is for water hovering. Here is the coffee machine. Before I introduce the instructions of the machine, let's see the process of coffee making. And press one button like 1 cup. I press about 1 second and it begins brewing. And this part is very important. The temperature and time of brewing will make a total difference to the taste of coffee. So how to control the temperature and times of brewing, and what issue will make impact to the temperatures? The answer is the steam boiler and water pump. Let's see the instructions of steam boilers. You can see this is the electric board, and here is the steam boiler, and it's made of copper. The tube and the boiler is made of copper, and as it is for home use, we use vibratory pumps for these machines, and the spare parts like this are imported. After we introduce KD series coffee machine, let's talk about KC series espresso machines. You can see the detail of these machines. The tube and the copper and the boiler are made of copper. Copper is a material which has a very high conductivity of heat and electricity, and it's very durable. And many Italian famous brands, coffee brands, use copper steam boiler. And let's see this rotary pump. This pump is for these machines. It can offer very steady 9 bars water pressure and ensure the qualities of coffee. And here is the electric board is for temperature controlled, and above all is the whole instructions for the coffee machines. If you